If you guys are wondering how I blow out the candles, I actually don't because it will cause like a lot of yung mga smoke eh hindi maganda yun, medyo mabaho. So, Bea taught me something. So, she just told me na just close the candle with the lid. Tapos, the fire will burn out. Ayan. Tapos, yung smoke na trap lang sa loob. So, hindi mo siya maamoy. Bongga. So, welcome back to another vlog. Mark already left. Usually, he just stays like mga 3 days dito and then he would go home na. So, my agenda for today would be grocery shopping. I don't have any more food, so I have to shop for ingredients for siguro gagawin ko ulit yung curry. I plan to make a video out of that or how I make it. Simpleng recipe lang. And then, I also plan to babawasan ko to. Itong stack na to ng puro to film stuff. I have to film. So, I'll be filming all night long today. Saktong-sakto kasi wala na lang yung ingay ng construction. And I just found out via Twitter that the Purge election year is showing. At chinek ko yung SM Cinema. Oh my gosh, guys. It's showing na. This is one of those films na parang takot-takot akong panoorin. Pero kasi ang ganda na, ang weird na hindi mo maintindihan, ha, Clerks. It's so scary. Just the sound of the siren, yung ganyan, takot-takot na ako dun, Clerks. I sure hope that doesn't happen in real life. Kasi medyo scary. Alam niyo naman, ang government may mga brainwashing chauvinist eklavu, diba? Kaya medyo... Anyway, yun lang naman. So, I've watched the other Purge movies with Mark. So, I plan to watch this with him kasi hindi ko kaya mag-isa. Medyo just suspense ng bongga and I need someone to cling on to, as in Clerks. Anyway, so I moved my white desk so that I could film in front of the camera para may malagyan ako ng mga makeup. So I am gonna start in a bit. I just have to get some brushes. I am finally finished filming, guys. So medyo madami-dami akong na-film. So 4 videos done today and I think I'm gonna take a break or just stop filming na. It's already 10:30 and I promised myself I would sleep earlier than my usual time of sleep, which is 7 AM. So, kailangan matulog ako na maaga. Maayos pa rin dito kasi nga, ito yung backdrop ng filming ko, diba? Pero itong part na to, medyo magulo lang. Medyo lang naman. So, kailangan ayusin natin. Done editing, guys. I have my retainers on. Kaya medyo weird yung salita ko. Anyway, that's it for today's vlog. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Cooked this brown rice from Healthy You, which I got from the Robinsons event. I cooked it in my induction cooker. So, nag-work naman siya. And then I fried up some bangus. And this is going to be my brunch. Here's my makeup look for tonight. We have a meeting, so I'm gonna go with Joyce. I haven't seen Joyce in a bit. Sobrang tagal na namin nagkita-kita. Actually, on Sunday, we're gonna have dinner night out with Bea and Kim and Joyce. So, that's really fun. Sobrang simple lang ng aking look. Yun lang. For the brows, I used the Holika here, brow pencil. Sobrang ganda niya. Wonder Drawing Skinny Eyebrow yung tawag. And then for my face, ulit, yung NARS NARS na Tinted Moisturizer. And then for my powder, I used the Benefit Oxygen Powder. Sobrang ganda, sobrang flawless talaga. Anyway, I left a couple of mess over here. Pero kailangan ko na kasi kumuha ng Uber since the meeting will be at 8. Buti nga malapit lang eh. So, kukuha muna ako ng Uber. Also, while doing my makeup, nanonood lang ako ng Game of Thrones. Nakaka-lurks. Hindi na ako makapaghintay sa next na season. Pero since matagal-tagal pa, 10 months pa, diba? Nanonood muna ako ng mga ibang, yung mga season nire-rewatch ko. Past season. So, it's really funny kasi ang daming details na napapansin ko lang ngayon lang. You know, kaya bongga rin, inuulit ko na lang. Having dinner with Carl. Hi, Carl! From Isabel's daughter and Tasha! Dito kami sa Contis. Of course, si Joyce. Hi, girl! Bongga. Anong inaano mo dyan?
Mango salad.
Yummy! At yan lang kakainin niya, Clerks. Here we have, ano to? Hot choco. Yum! Ayan, we're learning about Isabel's daughter. At guys, mag-haul ako siguro bukas. Nakaka-Clerks. Kailangan siguro may sense of smell yung vlog do para maamoy nila yung gagano kala. Mamaya. Anyway, mamaya. Grilled pork chops for dinner. That was my food. Ano ba to? Rice? Ano daw rice to? I forgot. Pero yun. And then si Joyce yung flatly, of course. Ako mamaya yan kasi bonggang-bong. Ay, girl. Ang bango talaga, girl. Carl is having some pasta. Yummy. Beef salpicao for Tasha.
Tama.
And ano yung drink mo, girl?
Tatlo ka set.
Yum! Finally home, guys. Grabe, sobrang lakas ng ulan. And pagpasok ko ng apartment, alam niyo, sobrang bango. All because of the scented candle. Nilagay ko sa CR kanina kasi nung naligo ko, gusto ko medyo relax ang peg. Sorry, wait lang. Ayan. So, yun nga, medyo sad ako kasi since I use this everyday na, tignan nyo naman. As in, kumonte siya ng bonggang-bongga. Let's light this baby up. Ayan, sige. Dalawang wick ba yung tawag doon? Wick. So, we got a couple of body mists. Sobrang, alam mo guys, sobrang bango talaga. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Hindi dahil binigay lang to for free. Pero, sobrang bango talaga niya. Sobrang, oh, I cannot. Me vlogging about this doesn't really do any justice sa products kasi sobrang bango niya. And what's good about it is that sobrang natural. All natural talaga. At pag narinig niyo yung story behind Isabel's Daughter, kung bakit tinawag na Isabel's Daughter, kung bakit B yung emblem or yung ano nila, yung logo nila, nako, mawiwin down kayo. Pero anyway, ayoko pala ipakita lahat. Gagawa ko ng haul video na lang. So, I'm gonna do a haul video na lang for you guys since gusto kong ma-elaborate pa yung mga Chauviness Eclavu about Isabel's Daughter. But yeah, that's it for today's vlog. I am going to be filming one video bago ako matulog para hindi sayang ang makeup. Every time I open my laptop, it shows me like different photos and I'm just really happy kasi sobrang iba-iba photos lagi. And this one is super cute. Oh, daga. Cutie. So, that's it for today's vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If ever you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to check out more videos over here. Click nyo lang yan at it will direct you to a new video.